How to change the length of Fusion nodes in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to blur only half of this video in the Fusion page. One way is to go to Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag an adjustment clip above your video in timeline and adjust its duration. Now move the playhead above the adjustment clip and go to the Fusion page. Drag a blur node after media in node and increase blur size. Now if we go back to the edit page, only the parts under the adjustment clip are blurred. Another way is to remove the adjustment clip and with playhead above your clip, go to the Fusion page. Drag a blur node after media in node and increase blur size. Now to change the length of this node, open up Keyframes panel. Click on this button to see all the layers. Select your node and resize and reposition it to your liking. Now this part of the video is getting blurred, not all of it.